Hello everyone, it's Tanya Atomic, and today I'm doing an unboxing of Medusa's makeup for August. This should be their birthday box because August is their birthday month. Oh, yes. Birthday box. Okay. This is everything in there, but I'm not looking because I'm going to be surprised. And Medusa's makeup is cruelty-free and vegan. It's an independent brand. It's sort of dark and gothy and disco-y blingy at the same time, which is kind of my vibe. It's my thing. I'm just gonna reach in and pull stuff out, and oh, here's a Medusa's makeup beauty blend, or here's a Medusa's makeup blender. Beauty blender, and it was a brand. I'm like, what do you call these ones that aren't? Okay. It looks like it got a little smushed in the box, but you know, I bet when you get it wet, it'll just pop up. It's really cute. This is Medusa's makeup. Right on there. That's really cute. I have one that I'm using right now that's really nice. I don't even know where I got it from. I think I got it out of a subscription box. It is starting to get like little cuts in it from my fingernails when I use it. But anyway, it's not going to last forever. I know that, being realistic, and that's a nice backup. So the next thing in here is a raw organic facial wipe. It looks like it's one. So this is kind of a, like a sample, basically. Oh, it says it removes waterproof mascara. That's nice. And it's 100% organic cotton and biodegradable. So it's a little bit of a nicer, it's a little bit earth-friendlier product, although it does come in this foil plastic sealed container. Okay, what else is in here? Ooh, this is nice. Oh, this is nice. This brush. Trying to fluff it up here. That's cute. So it's a pink metallic brush, fluffy here. It was in the package, so I'm trying to bring it back to life. That's cute. Oh, it's slightly tapered, I think. It's nice. And then we have one of their Metal AF lip glosses. I like their lip glosses. Oh, this is pretty. I want to rock. So it's like a mauve-y lavender. Extra shiny there. That's nice. I like their lip glosses. And a liquid eyeshadow, which I don't use liquid eyeshadow that much. I do use them. Just not as often as I use powder. Oh, this is pretty. This is a champagne-y kind of color, but it's a little bit, I don't know what to call it. It's a little bit more fawn colored of a champagne. It's a little darker, less gold, more, I want to say brown, but it's not really a brown. But anyway, I will just swatch it so I can shut up and show you. That's pretty. Because I have a couple champagne-y ones too, but they're sort of more yellowy, goldy champagne-y. That's more sort of brown one. It's called Ava. And this is a color that I like to wear by itself on the lid like that. Real simple. So anyway, that is everything in this box. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you get this box or you're interested. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.